Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. Today I have a quick tutorial on the modified magic loop method. So here I have a beanie that I'm getting ready to decrease, and most of my patterns will say to use double pointed needles or the magic loop method, and I'm not a big fan of double pointed needles, so I will use typically the magic loop method. And with a regular magic loop method, you would switch out to a longer cable for your needles. And I just don't like the hassle of stopping to switch out my cables. So one day I said, I am going to make this work, and discovered this method. So here you can see that it's running out of space around the cable. So let's get started. So what you want to do is make space. So starting with your right hand needle. So I slide the needle out and the cable so that I have one stitch. And then on the left side, I just leave as many stitches as I can on the left hand needle. So I'll leave about 5 and then pull out the end of the needle. Okay, so now I can work my decreased stitches according to pattern without struggling with tightness around the cable needle. See how you have space to work with? Okay, so I'll just keep knitting my decrease, and I need more stitches, so I simply just slide a few more stitches onto my left hand needle, and then on my right hand needle I'll take a couple off of the needle. If you can still keep going without moving it, that's great. But I did need more stitches on my left hand needle so that I can work more stitches, because I am decreasing 3 stitches at a time. So I will continue to work and slide stitches back onto my left hand needle. Okay, so I'll slide a few more. There's about 6 there, and then I will go ahead and take 2 out of this side and slide it around, and then I just continue working my decreases. Okay, so I wanted to show you how tight it was getting around the cable, and I'm almost done working my round. So I'll go ahead and slide 1 stitch onto my right hand needle, and then this is my stitch marker, so I'm going to just slide the rest of my stitches onto my left hand needle, so I know that this is all I have left to work with. And then I'll just continue working my round. So that's pretty much it. That is how you work a magic loop method in a modified version. You just keep repeating those steps until you're ready to close up. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.